Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of numismatics to uncover the story behind a seemingly ordinary coin, the 1974 half dollar. Hey there, coin collectors. Have you ever wondered if that old coin you found in your attic could be worth a fortune? Well, today, we're going to explore the fascinating journey of the 1974 half dollar and discover why it's a hidden gem in the world of coin collecting. In 1974, the United States Mint produced millions of half dollars. But what sets this particular year apart from the rest? You see, while most 1974 half dollars might not seem extraordinary at first glance, there are certain factors that can make them incredibly valuable. One of the key factors to look for is the condition of the coin. Coins in mint condition, without any scratches or blemishes, are highly sought after by collectors. But that's not all. Another crucial aspect is any errors or variations in the minting process. These can include double strikes, off-center minting, or even missing elements. In the case of the 1974 half dollar, certain varieties, such as the No S mint mark or the double die obverse, can significantly increase its value. And here we have it, folks! This 1974 half dollar with a No S mint mark is a prime example of a valuable find. These coins were mistakenly minted without the S mark, indicating they were produced in San Francisco. Due to this error, these coins are highly coveted by collectors and can fetch prices far above their face value. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, keep your eyes peeled for those hidden treasures in your coin collection. Who knows, you might just stumble upon a 1974 half dollar worth a small fortune. This coin's value in market $1.2 million. Thanks for joining me today on this numismatic adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coin collecting tips and discoveries. Until next time, happy hunting! We're diving deep into the fascinating world of numismatics, focusing on the 1973 Washington Quarter. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about a quarter from 1973? Well, let me tell you, this particular year holds some surprises. First off, take a close look at the coin's design. The 1973 Washington Quarter features the iconic profile of George Washington on the obverse, just like any other quarter from that era. But it's what's on the reverse that sets it apart. Instead of the usual eagle design found on most quarters, the 1973 Washington Quarter boasts a fascinating image of a colonial drummer. This unique design was part of the Bicentennial series, celebrating the 200th anniversary of the United States. But here's where it gets really interesting. Due to a minting error, a small number of 1,973 quarters were mistakenly struck on silver planchets intended for proof coins. This error resulted in a limited number of silver quarters entering circulation. Now, you might be wondering, how can you tell if your 1973 quarter is one of these rare silver specimens? Well, the easiest way is to check its weight and composition. A standard copper-nickel quarter weighs about 5.67 grams, while a silver quarter weighs 6.25 grams. If your 1973 quarter weighs more than it should and exhibits a silver color, congratulations! You might have just hit the jackpot. Collectors and enthusiasts alike are willing to pay top dollar for these elusive silver 1973 Washington quarters, with some fetching prices far exceeding their face value. So, if you happen to stumble upon a 1973 Washington quarter in your pocket change or coin jar, don't dismiss it as just another quarter. Take a closer look, because you could be holding a valuable piece of American numismatic history. This coin's value in market $1.5 million. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights into the world of coins.